Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color two birds are sitting on the branch. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a male bird, starting with his eyes. Then I draw his mouth like this. Draw two little eyebrows for him. I continue with his head like this. Then I draw his body and his wings. Draw his two legs. Next to him, I draw a female bird, staring with her cute eyes. Then I draw her mouth. And her little eyebrows. I continue with her head like this. Then I draw her body and her wings. I draw her legs. Then I draw a branch. Two cute birds are sitting on the branch. I draw two leaves like this. Finally, I draw the shapes of the hearts. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use paint to paint their cheeks. Then I color their mouths orange and red. Green for leaves. I use orange to paint their legs. And red for the shapes of the hearts. Now I'm going to use this pink color to paint a female bird. And I use this blue to paint male bird. Looks so sweet. Finally, I color the branch brown. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.